Hi viewers, now we'll discuss circle properties and Pythagoras theorems, angles properties in a circle, all those things, and intersect theorem as you can see that in question number 3 and 4. So first, in question number 1, what they want, O is the center of a circle. As you can see that in the shape, OA is 17, means this is the length, and this length is the opposite to the right angle, which is at M. It means this is hypotenuse. This side, 17 is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and OM is perpendicular. AM is the adjacent side, but they mention AB. AB is 16. If AB is 16, it means M is the midpoint of AB, okay? So half of 16 is 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. It means A to M is 8. This one 8, this one also 8. We are looking, work out the length of OM. OM, OM is the height, okay? This one is the height. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, which we apply in right angle triangles, so sum of square of the longest side is always equal, means longest side is 17, is equal to sum and square of other two sides. Other two sides are 8 squared plus OM. We don't know OM height. So 17 square equal what? That gives me 289. 8 square 64 plus OM square. So OM whole square is equal to 289 minus 64, which is equal to 25. So OM whole square. So we are looking only OM. So by taking square root on both sides, we will get 15. Square root of 225 gives us 15. So first answer is 15 centimeter. This is the length of OM. I hope so it is clear. In question number 2, they want us only the angles. If we read carefully, look, O is the center of circle. M is the midpoint of chord AB, this point, and angle OAB is 25. This angle is 25. Remember that O to A is radius, so O to B is also radius, means OA is equal OB. Both are radius, both are have equivalence. So if they have equal lengths, so AOB represent isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, then base angles are same. So they want us what is an angle AMO. AMO. That is easy. When we draw a line from O and it comes perpendicularly to AB, so the line OM is perpendicular to AB. That means it makes 90-degree angle. So here your answer is 90-degree. Next, work out the angle AOM. AOM. If this one is 90, this one is 25, we can subtract from 180. Means 25 plus 90 plus angle AOM, angle AOM equal 180. So we have angle AOM equal 180 minus 90 minus 25. That's I'm getting 65. So here your answer is 65. And lastly, work out the angle AOB. Means if this one is 65, so full is how much? So remember that OM is the angle bisector. So angle AOB is the double of 65. 2 multiplied by 65, which is equal 130. So this angle is 130. I hope so it is clear. Yes, boy. Now we will move on. Question number 3. And when two chords intersect inside the circle, as you can see that, so we can apply the theorem, which is in question number 3. 3 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to x multiplied by 2. x multiplied by 2 means 8 3s are 24 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 24 over 2, which is equal to 12. And if we check question number 4, same concept. A to B, C, let's suppose this is D and this is E, means A to B if you want to make the rule, okay? A to B multiply BC is equal to DB or BD multiply BE. So see here, AB is 4, 4 multiply X is equal to BD is 6 multiply 2. So 4X is equal to 6 2s are 12. So X is equal to 12 over 4, which gives me 3. So we find out these two answers. When two chords intersect inside the circle, we will apply this concept. I hope so it is clear. So we move on next. When two chords intersect outside, like question number 7. First of all, 5 and 6 have same concept. So let's see first 7 and 6. In 7, when two chords intersect outside of the circle, then we will take the full length first. Means let's suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, and we can say that this is ABC, this is D, E. So A to C, full length first we will take A to C multiply B to C, okay? B to C is equal to D to C full length, D to C multiply the outer length E to C. So look, once you make this rule, we can apply A to C means 10 plus 6, which is 16. 16 multiply BC is 6 and D to C means X plus 8. X plus 8, bracket open, bracket close, multiply by 8. So now you just simplify 16 multiplied by 6, 96. 8 multiply inside first with x and then 8 multiplied by 8, 64. We can take 64 other side, so it will subtract from 96. Here we have 8x. So x is equal to 96 minus 64. That gives me 32 and divide by 8, which is equal 8 4s are 32 4. I hope so it is clear.